In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, organizing your ideas, or clarifying a complex process, mastering the skill of creating a flowchart can be a valuable tool. And the best part, it's surprisingly straightforward in PowerPoint. So let's dive right in and explore each step together. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. It might be helpful to have your presentation file ready, especially if you're integrating the flowchart into an existing project. Now, once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation file where you'd like to add your flowchart. When your file is open, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to incorporating various elements into your slides, including images, graphs, and of course the focus of today's tutorial, the flowchart. Click on Insert and a new set of options will be revealed. From here, look for the Smart Art option. Smart Art is a powerful feature in PowerPoint designed to help you visually represent information succinctly and aesthetically. Clicking on this will open a dialog box showcasing different styles and types of graphical information. You'll see various categories on the left hand side of this dialog box. For our purposes, you'll want to focus on the Process tab. This section is full of various flowchart templates that cater to different needs. Whether you're looking for something straightforward or more complex, exploring the options here is a good idea. Take a moment to scroll through, paying attention to each template's design and the number of steps it accommodates. This choice will be integral to how effectively your information is communicated. Once you've found the flowchart design that best matches your requirements, simply click on it to select it. Don't worry, you're not making any permanent decisions yet. You can always come back to change things if necessary. With your desired flowchart style selected, head on over to the lower portion of the dialog box and click OK. And there you have it, your chosen flowchart will appear on the slide, ready for you to customize with your specific information. You can easily edit the text, add or remove steps, and adjust the colors or visual style to better fit your presentation's overall theme. PowerPoint makes it quite intuitive, allowing you to tailor everything to your precise needs. Taking the time to create flowcharts can significantly enhance the clarity and impact of your presentations. I hope this guide has simplified the process for you, empowering you to create professional and effective visual aids within PowerPoint. Don't forget to explore other smart art graphics for future projects, and thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.